we are going to talk about heart attack. Heart attack is also called as myocardial infarction. It occurs when blood flow to the heart is suddenly blocked, usually by a clot, which can be formed by the deposition of cholesterol or fats. Deposits are called as plaques. The process of formation of plaque is called as atherosclerosis. Heart attack usually occurs when an artery that sends blood and oxygen to the heart is blocked. Some of the symptoms of heart attack are fatigue, मतलब थकान, heartburn or indigestion. Third one is pain, discomfort that spreads to the shoulder, arm or back. Fourth one is nausea. Fifth one is shortness of breath. Let's talk about the risk factors. For men, it can occur at the age of 45 or above, and in women, it can occur at the age of 55 or above. Some of the risk factors are tobacco use, like smoking. Second one is high BP. It can damage arteries that lead to heart attack due to obesity, high cholesterol, or diabetes. The blood pressure got increased. Third one is high cholesterol. Low density lipoprotein, which is also called as bad cholesterol, narrow arteries. High level of fats or triglycerides increases the chances of heart attack. High density lipoprotein is also called as good cholesterol, so it should be in its standard range. Fourth one is obesity. Fifth one is diabetes. Sixth one is family with history of a heart attack, you might be at a high risk. And the sixth one is not enough exercise. Unhealthy diet like high consumption of trans fats, sugars, animal fats, salt or processed foods. So I would recommend eat plenty of fruits, veggies, fiber, healthy oils. Overcome your stress. It's never too late to take a step to prevent a heart attack, even if you are already had one. First one is follow healthy lifestyle and don't smoke. Second one is manage other health conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes. Third one is take medications as directed. You might most of the time confused with these three medical terms, that is heart attack, heart failure and cardiac arrest. So let's differentiate all three of them. As I already told you about the heart attack occurs when the blood flow to the heart is suddenly blocked. Heart attack is genetic. Second one is heart failure, which is also called as congestive heart failure. हार्ट फेलियर का मतलब होता है हार्ट अपना फंक्शन, जो उसका फंक्शन है, दैट इज बीटिंग, पंपिंग द ब्लड थ्रू आउट द बॉडी, वो प्रॉपरली नहीं कर पाता. इट मीन्स व्हेन हार्ट कैन नॉट पंप इनफ ब्लड टू मीट द बॉडीज नीड, दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल्ड एज हार्ट फेलियर. हार्ट फेलियर के पहले हमें लंग्स में कंजेशन टाइप का लगता है, तो इसीलिए हम इसे कंजेस्टिव हार्ट फेलियर कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट वन इज कार्डियक अरेस्ट. एज द नेम डिनोट्स, अरेस्ट. अगर हम किसी को अरेस्ट कर लेते हैं तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है वो अपना काम नहीं कर पाएगा. एंड हार्ट का काम क्या है? पंप करना. इट मीन्स हार्ट स्टॉप्स बीटिंग. तो हार्ट बीट करना बंद कर देगा या फिर हार्ट पंप करना बंद कर देगा. दैट इज़ व्हाट वी कॉल्ड एज कार्डियक अरेस्ट. जाने से पहले एक मेडिकल टर्म का फुल फॉर्म आपको बताती हुई जाऊंगी, दैट इज AED, स्टैंड्स फॉर ऑटोमेटेड एक्सटर्नल डिफाइब्रिलेटर. इसके बारे में आपको नेक्स्ट शॉर्ट में पता चल जाएगा. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड.